Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to design a logo in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now click on this plus icon over here. So let's tap on this. Now scroll down and here we can see this logo option over here. So let's tap on this. Now to add any templates you can choose any of this from here, so let's go for this one. And to add further details or animate to make the layers, and also you can get more options over here. So using all these features you can easily design your logo in Canva. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.